Hi guys, let's work on our Crepe poppy flowers. When you get your flowers, they come in few parts. The flower head, flower bud, leaf, stem, and a base. So we need to fluff up these parts first. How do we do this? Italian paper we use is quite sturdy, so you won't damage it much, but you see over the time of transportation or storage, these flowers, they got squashed. So we need to add a bit of volume to all these elements and ruffles to our petal edges. So what do? Take your flower head this side up and open the flower head this way. Do not hesitate, you won't damage it. So make sure that all the stamens are nice and evenly distributed this way. And now start work petal by petal. There are 2 layers. The inner layer consists of 1, 2, 3, 4 petals, and the outer layer. So you start with this one. You take the petal with your thumbs approximately at the middle line and do it this way. Make the petal look more sphere shape rather than flat. Do not just pull it. Make it sphere shape, semi-sphere, this way. And now we work on edges. You stretch a little bit edges like this. This way you'll get ruffles. Do not rush, so not to tear this accidentally, but this way you will add ruffles. You can experiment with the way which works for you best. You see what I do? I add these ruffles this way, right? And absolutely same we do with the outer petals. We round them a bit and then add ruffles. Yep. And this is it. Now our flower has body and ready to be mounted on a stem. What if you absolutely accidentally tear this that way? You just can add a piece of glue, actually any glue, PVA, school glue, glue stick, whatever you have will work, and attach 2 pieces together. This rip won't be even visible. Absolutely same we do with the bud. If it was squashed during the time of traveling, we just add a little bit of ruffles to edges this way. We just stretch paper by the edges this way. So now it's nice and fluffy. Absolutely same we do with leaves. Most of the leaves we send our flowers with, they are pre-fluffed for you. However, during the transportation, they got flattened. So what do we need? We need to stretch the edges like this. And you see the difference? So this side is flat and this is ruffled. Every leaf has a wire inside, so you can shape it the way you like on a stem. And absolutely same we do from another inside. This is it. Sometimes we send leaves being absolutely flat. If it's your case, don't worry. Again, there is a wire inside, so you can shape it the way you like and it will keep the shape. But to start, you just do absolutely the same thing. You just stretch the edge this way. You see, this is ruffle and this is flat. And this is it. Here we go. Now you just mount flower head and a bud onto stems, and in most of the cases leaves are already attached to stems. Enjoy your flowers.